Good morning. This is December the 16th, Monday, 2024. We are in BHM third semester, business writing, business communication and writing skills class, where in the previous class we were reading about the process of writing. And we said there are 3 steps in the process of writing. One is planning, the other is writing, and the other is completing. Right? In the previous class, we read about the mind the wire. खसिहाल्छ यताबाट चाहिँ मिल्छ यो त एकदमै स्ट्यान्ड भएर यस्तो राखेको छ के Okay. In the previous class, we talked about the planning phase, where we talked about the audience, we talked about analyzing the situation, we talked about gathering information, we talked about organizing the messages. Now today, we are talking about the second step, writing business messages. Not planning business messages, but writing business messages. Let me spend a couple of minutes on this story with which every chapter starts. I hope you pay attention. One problem in this class I'm facing is a lot of noise. Even I remember the last class was very noisy. And one reason you make noise is you sit like that in a very crowded space. You sit together, and when you are sitting together and when you are not involved in the lesson, you tend to talk a lot, and that disturbs a lot. So pre-information, if I am too angry, I may ask somebody to get out of my class, and please get out of my class if I ask you to do so. If I am disturbed, I'll ask you, I'll point and say, get out. And please get out. If you don't get out, I'll get out. Okay. So every job you do in future, every business you do in future, you will do some writing in as part of job. There is no business that does not require writing. Any business you do, at least you will be keeping an inventory of the items you need, for example. Even I go to shop and I bought one item in one shop in Ganabahal. And the moment I bought Bikaneri Bhujia, 100 gram. And what I realized, the moment I took the packet, the shopkeeper had a register. He turns a page and gives a number, and he wrote Bikaneri Bhujia, 100 rupees. I found that the shopkeeper very carefully maintains list of every item that is being sold out. Right? Why is he doing that? Because that will help him to maintain inventory. He will know what items have been sold, what he needs to bring. Right? So my meaning is, whatever job you do, whatever profession you are in, any business, you will need to write. For example, maybe you can be writing on technical subjects, scientific subjects. You may be writing training materials. You may be transcribing videos. You may be writing position papers. You may be writing backgrounders as white papers to your plan. You may be writing marketing material. You may be writing advertisement. You may be writing social media content. Only a week ago, I saw on my social media somebody who is working in the field of travel and tourism. He published a notice and he said, urgently needed. And what did he need? He needed a content writer. He runs a travel agency. He is my student. I taught him 32 years before in SLC. Now he has a very good well established, good travel agency, expedition agency, and he published that he urgently needs a content writer. And I saw this and I realized that if you have good skills in writing, you could get a job, a nice job, handsome payment, right? So you may be writing tweets and or even books. Now he begins by saying, the writers begin by saying that every business, every profession needs writing skill. Then they give example of this lady, Kelly Moore. There is a website also, and there is a link. If you click on the link, you will get to her website. So she is an independent writer, as we read here, right? She writes social media content. तपाईले एकदम बढी काम लाग्छ हो. तपाईले होटलमा काम गर्नुहुन्छ भने भोलि चाहिँ तपाईले सोशल मिडियामा लेख्न आएर भने त के गर्न सक्नुहुन्न. तपाईँ कुनै प्रडक्ट सेल गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ मिडियामा लेख्नु पर्यो नि त. न कसै थाहा पाउने मान्छेले तपाईँ प्रडक्ट आयो लन्च भयो भनेर. राइट. आजको दिनमा चाहिँ सोशल मिडियामा कन्टेन्ट लेख्न जान्नु इट्स भेरी इम्पोर्टेन्ट. राइट. देन you have to develop communication strategy. There is e-commerce. You have to write a lot. केही नभए पनि तपाईँले डाटा फिलअप गर्नुपर्ने होला हैन, e-commerce. Then there is freelance writing. You get no job anywhere and you write freely, right? Then you may be writing a blog, newsletter, right? So you may be giving full marketing communication services. अहिले तपाईँ विज्ञापन हेर्नु फेसबुक हेर्नुभयो भने थुप्रै विज्ञापन आउँछ आजभोलि. के को आउँछ? राइटिङ सिकाउने विज्ञापन आउँछ आजभोलि. कम्युनिकेसन सिकाउने विज्ञापन आउँछ आजभोलि. मान्छेहरू पैसा कमाइरहेछन् सिकाएर, यस्ता कुरा सिकाएर. Writing has become more and more important these days. Now, if you, for example, visit this website, you can see our website. Well, बिहान हेरेको थिएँ, राम्रै छ. Okay, then this lady has worked as a journalist. She has also worked as a public relation manager and entrepreneur. Because of this background, it was easier for her to start a job in writing, content writing, right? You can also contribute to business magazines. Here also in college we have Busy Style. So if you're good at writing, you can contribute there, right? Okay. So we read the story. And what is the point we got? The point is that writing is very important. Whatever job you do, whatever business you do, you cannot imagine to run any business successfully without knowing good writing. Right? तपाईं दिमाग राख्नुस्. तपाईं जे जागिर खाए पनि भोलि एन्टरप्रेन्योर भए पनि कुनै मोमो पसल खोले पनि राइटिङ चाहिन्छ. केही राइटिङ चाहिन्छ, मोमो पसल खोले पनि चाहिन्छ. Right? Okay. Now we have 6 or 7 things we learned. Take a copy and book. तपाईको कपीमा यहाँ one लेख्नुस् र कपी गर्नुस् त. यो हेडिङ मात्रै. हेडिङ मात्रै. हेडिङ मात्रै कपी गर्नुस् त. one लेखेर. Write on a copy only the heading. Quickly. Please copy the heading only. Just heading, nothing else. अब 2 and one लेख्नु भयो. 5 लाइन छोडेर 2 लेख्नुस्. 5 लाइन छोडेर 5 लाइन लेखे छोडेर 2 मा आउनुस् के. 5 लाइन. Now number 2. Number 2. Copy this one. Number 2. Copy it. Number 2. Adapting to your audience, building strong relationship. Copy it. Just the red one only. Now leave another 5 line. Now leave another 5 line. ठक्कै 5 लाइन छोड्नुस् है. and copy this one, number 3. लेखे ना छिटो गरौ न copy this adapting to your audience controlling your style and tone adapting to your audience controlling your style and tone done adapting to your audience controlling your style and tone only read one only heading now leave 5 line leave 5 line and give number 4 write this one composing your messages choosing powerful words leave 5 line there are 7 points there are 7 points you will leave 5 line for each leave 5 line for each composing your message choosing powerful words done leave 5 lines write number 5 composing your message creating effective sentences creating effective sentences write number 5 for each leave 5 line composing your message creating effective sentences leave 5 line copy number 6 composing your message crafting unified coherent paragraph crafting number 6 leave 5 line and then write number 6 composing your message crafting unified coherent paragraphs crafting unified coherent paragraphs number 6 leave 5 lines leave 5 lines done okay write the last one number 7 writing messages for mobile devices number 7 writing messages for mobile devices writing messages for mobile devices now we'll do what look at me hello you are in number 7 right you are in number 7 right number 7 just below number 7 heading leave half inch margin and write 7 point A like this त्यो त छोड्नै पर्यो म अलि गराइरहेको छु त 5 वटा छोड्नु परेन just next line write 7 point A the sub heading under 7 जस्ट यहाँ 5 लाइन छोड्ने हैन अब 5 लाइन छोड्नु परेन के सिधै 1 लाइन तल लेख्ने नेक्स्ट लाइनमा use a linear organization copy the bold faced headings 7A 7B like that 7C Copy 7A, 7B, 7C, 7D, whatever it is. Just copy the heading only. Nothing else. Done? You should learn to make notes very fast. Oh God. At college you have to read a lot and you have to make notes. You should be able to read quite fast and make notes. Done? How many points are there? A, B, C, D. There is one more. There is more. A, B, C, D. Wait a minute. A, B, C, D, E. There are 5. Use shorter paragraphs. Done? Everybody, do you have 5 points? Do you have 5 points under 7? Yeah, highlighted one. No. Only black one. Bold-faced. Copy only bold-faced. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Look here. Oh God. 1, 2, 3. 3, 4. This is 3. You don't have common sense? 4. 4. And now you have 5. Use shorter paragraphs. Do you have 5 points now? Yes. Okay, wait a minute. कहाँ छ भनेको? सेभेनको सिकाएको. 7 को सिकाएको. Okay. Did you make 5 points under 7? Yes. Now go to 6. Now go to 6. Go to 6 now. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Under 7, this is 6, right? Write 6.A. Next line under 6. Write 6.A. Now copy this subheading. Copy it. Don't take photographs. No, you will write. You will write. Copy it. Creating the elements of a paragraph. Write small letters. You will need a lot of space. Now, look here. This is 6.A.1. Write topic sentence. Yeah, yes, you will make subheadings. 6.1, 6.A.1. 6A1. This is under this and this is under this. 6A1 topic sentence. Now write 6B. Oh, wait a minute. No. 6.A.2. I made a mistake. 6A2. तिमीहरु आफ्नै दिमाग लगाउनु हो यत्रो पाको विद्यार्थी के बुझ्दैन भने के बुझ्दैन तिमीहरूले भने नि कति सिकाउनु नसिकाएको हो कि यहाँ हेर यत्रो विद्यार्थी ठुलो भइसक्यो 20 वर्षको यो हेडिङ हो लर्निङ अब्जेक्टिभ हो यसको फन्ट साइज यो सानो छ ब्लूमा छ यसको मुनि यो हेडिङ हो नि अनि यो भन्दा यो सानो छ यसको मुनि यो हो नि अनि लेख्दै जाउँ न नम्बरिङ गरेर 6.A.1 त्यसरी गरे पनि हुन्छ अथवा 6.1 6.1.A गरे पनि त भयो नि अब एबिसी गर्दै जाउँ न आफै तिमीसँग किताब छ कि छैन छ नि त्यहाँ किताब छैन किताब छैन भने गाली खाऊ बदमास किताब छैन भने गाली खाऊ यहाँ हेर त म किताब किन बोकेँ फाल्तु भएर बोकेको हो यो म किताब बोकेर हिँडेको छैन है झोलामा म गधा हो किताब बोकेर हिँड्नु पर्ने तिमीहरू चाहिँ फेरि आउने मलाई त किताबै चाहिँदैन ल्यापटप छ नि त मसँग तै बोकेर हिँडेको छैन बोकेर देखिरहेको छैन किताबै तिमी चाहिँ बिना किताब के गर्न आएको मेरो अनुहार हेर्न आएको ओके वेट अ मिनट नोइज नगर्ने डिड यु राइट 6.1.A दिस वान ए राइट ए भने पनि 1 भने पनि भयो कि नाउ बी भने पनि भयो 2 भने पनि भयो जसरी एज यु लाइक बी 6.1.B now 6.1.C 6.1.C note down 6.1.C 6.1.C now look here this is 6.1.C now this is 6.1.C.1 this is 6.1.C.2 this is 6.1.C.3 हो ठिक छ अब त्यहाँ अट्टाउ कसरी हुन्छ मैले अघि 5 लाइन भने होइन अघि मैले 10 लाइन भने हुन्थ्यो भएर ठिकै छ मैले गल्ती गरेँ नि त त्यो मिलाउ त्यसलाई तिमीलाई सिकाएको के हो भने नोट आउटलाइन बनाउन सिकाइरहेको छु मैले के सिकाइरहेको छु किताबबाट नोट निकाल्ने आउटलाइन .1.C.3 अब त्यहाँ अर्को पनि छ 6.1.C.4 छ यो 3 भयो अब लुक 4 6.1.C.4 6.1.C.5 ओके माथिको 3 हो ओके 3 4 ओके अर्को पाना पल्टाऊ एरो तानेर बनाऊ घरलाई मिलाऊ नि त्यसलाई घर मिलाएर बनाऊ न डन अब अघि 6.1 थियो अब के हुने भयो त यो कति हुने भयो 6.2 भयो 2 भएन अघि 1 हो नि अघि 6.1 को एबिसी गर्दै लग्यो होइन 6.1A 6.12 6.1B 6.1C गर्यो अनि सीमा पनि 1 2 3 4 थियो नि अब 6.2 आयो बी भने नि हुन्छ आफ्नो यु डेभलप योर ओन स्टाइल बनाउन सिक न ए रोमनमा एबिसी गरे पनि हुन्छ न्युमरलमा 1 2 3 गरे पनि हुन्छ जान्नु पर्यो ओके अब यहाँ आएर 6.2.1 6.2.2 6.2.3 6.2.4, 6.2.5 यो बनाऊ 5 वटा. There are 5 ways to develop a paragraph. Yakna choya disa. Do you know Nevari? What did I say? Kora kaha bhane, gorisios bhane. Yakna choya disa. Chirchir lekisios bhane. Man गरेर भने. हैन? लेख भन्यो भने कसरी भन्छ नानी? बच्चालाई भन्दा? थाहा छैन? Are you never? What a never you are, you don't never, right? Sorry. You also never? You don't know never? Or you know? You know. How do you say Chitu lek? In never? Huh? Yakna chua. Okay. Choya disa lexios. Right? Good. Thank you for teaching me this much Nevari language. Okay. Done? Huh? No. No. 6.2. Done? क्लास ठुलो छ. मलाई गाह्रो भइरहेछ कि तपाईहरुले इन्भल्भ गराउन गाह्रो भयो कि. अनि आज मैले यस्तो काम गराएको. यो भए त लेख्नु पर्यो नि त अब. इन्भल्भ त भयो नि त. अनि कुनै कुरा बुझाउँदा सुन्ने बानी भएन कि अनि यो काम गराएको. ओके. डन. 6.2 right? Now 6.2 okay. Now go to 5 heading. Number 5. 7th अघि भइसक्यो नि त. We are going opposite. Now go to 5. Go to 5. Okay. Here write 5.1. Write 5.1. Here write 5.1.A. Here write 5.1.B. Noise भयो. काम गर्ने काम. 5.A, 5.1.A, 5.1.B. के म कर्मी जो जस्तै? तिमी आफै बनाऊ न. आफै बनाऊ न. तिमीले बजारबाट सामान ल्याउनु पर्यो मामुले भने कसरी लेख्छौ त तिमीले? के गर्छौ त? दिमागमा राख्ने. ओके. तिम्रो नोट कपिले दिमाग मान न. Choosing from the 4 types of sentences. Look here. There are 4 types, right? So 5.1A, 5.1B, 5.1C, 5.1D. 5.1A, 5.1B, now you have 5.1C. 5.1C, 5.1D. Okay. 5.1B, 5.1C. Okay. Simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence. Five A, 5B, 5C. Done? How slow? How slow? Okay, now 5D. 5D. 5.1.D. 5.1D. 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 So 5.1 has 4 subpoints, right? 5.1A, 5.1B, 5.1C, 5.1D. Simple sentence, compound sentence, complex compound sentence. Okay. Or compound complex sentence. Now we have 5.1, right? Now go to 5.2. Now 5.2. 5.2. 5.2. And write the subheading. Write 5.2. तपाईले हरेक लेसनको यस्तो बनाएर राख्नुभयो भने एक्जामको लागि सर हेर्न काम लाग्छ के एउटा च्याप्टर 2 पेजमा अड्छ यहाँ अनि जाँचको बेलामा सर हेर्न काम लागेन एक्जाम अगाडि कुन लेसनमा के छ भनेर त्यो हेडिङहरु थाहा हुन्छ जाँचमा गफ लाउन त सकिहाल्नुहुन्छ नि हेडिङै थाहा नभए के गफ लाउनुहुन्छ Done? 5.2? Done. Now we go to 4. Now we go to 4. Jane. Tar hai, nahi tar. Now we go to 4. Number 4. Learning objective 4. Okay, here we come. Number 4. Please write this as 4.1. 4.1. Using words correctly. 4.1. Using words correctly. Using words correctly. Using words correctly. 4.1. 4.1 done? Now 4.2. Using words effectively. 4.2. 4.2. Using words effectively. 4.2. Using words effectively. 4.2. Using words effectively. 4.2.1. 4.2.1. 4.2.1. 4.2.1. 4.2.2. 4.2.3. 4.2.4. Copy the bold-faced subheadings. होल सबै यस्तो बनाएर राखे के घरमा जाँचको बेलामा चाहिँ सर हेर्न काम लाग्छ नि यो बनाउँदाखेरि पनि धेरैको दिमागमा बस्छ आउँछ अनि एक्जाम भोलिसम्म आज सर हेर्न पाइयो 1 घण्टामा .1, 4.2.2, 4.2.3, 4.2.4. Done? This was 4.2, right? It was 4.2. Done? Yes. Now we move to 4.3. 4.3, write down. 4.3. 4.3. 4.3. Understanding denotation and connotation. Now this is 4.2. 4.3.1. This is 4.3.2. 431, 432. Note down. 4.3.1, 4.3.2. यो हामीले के गरिरहेछौ बुझिरहेछौ के बुझिरहेछौ हो नोट बनाएको यसरी पहिला गरेको थियो के विषयमा गरेको थियो प्लस 2 मा गरेको थियो कुन विषयमा
बिजनेस स्टडीजमा
हो राम्रो गुड सरले सिकाउनु भएको थियो आफै बनाएको
सिकाउनु भएको
गुड राम्रो हो रहेछ, थाहा रहेछ. Done? 431, 432. Now 4-3 भयो हैन? Now 4.4. Oh, गल्ती भयो, मिस्टेक भयो. पक. ए हो, ठिक छ, मिस्टेक भएको छैन. 4-3 भएको थियो हैन? 4-4. 4.4. Please write down. 4.4. 4.4. अब त्यो सब हेडिङ मुनिको जुन प्याराग्राफ मैले के भनेको छैन नि, त्यो तिमीले बनाएर मलाई देखाउनुपर्छ अब त्यहाँको नोट. जस्तै मैले 4.4 मुनि के भनेको छैन नि, तिमीले त्यहाँ नोट टिपेर मलाई देखाउनुपर्छ यसो कुरा त्यहाँ रहेछ भनेर. जस्तै मैले तिमीहरूलाई क्लासमा यो टिपाएर पठाएँ होइन घर, यो त मैले के भनेको छैन नि. अब तिमीहरूले मलाई चाहिँ यसको इक्जाम्पल यो सब देखाउनुपर्छ मलाई यहाँ टिपेर. डन? Now we go to 3. भइसक्यो? Done? Okay, now we go to 3. 3. Now under 3, write this as 3.1. 3.1. 3.1. 3.1 point. 3.1 point A. 3.1 point B. 3.1 point C. And 3.1 point D. 3.1A, 3.1B, 3.1C, 3.1D. Note down. Shriti, how are you? Good. Is there any Preeti in this class? No Preeti? Only Shriti. Yes. Shriti must have a rhyming friend, right? Do you have a friend named Preeti Shriti? No. Done? Come in. This is 3.1, right? 3.1, 3.1. We made a mistake. Oh, wait a minute. No mistake. I'm also learning. Why do you expect me to make no mistake? Am I God? No. Okay. So this was 3.1 point A, right? Now we have, wait here. 3.2, 3.3. No.
That is 3.1.8.
Yeah, we made a mistake. 3.1 point, let's name A. Or 1 as you like. Come in. 3.1 point B. 3.1 point C. 3.1 point D. 3.1A, 3.1B, 3.1C, 3.1D. 3.1A, 3.1B, 3.1C, 3.1D. Done? This is 3.A, right? Now we have 3. Three one A, 3.1B, 3.1C, 3.1D. Tare ne. 3.1A, 3.1B, 3.1C, 3.1D. Done? If this is 3.1A, this should be? 3.2. 3.2 using plain language. 3.2 using plain language. 3.2 using plain language. 3.2 using plain language. हल्ला भयो नोइज नगर्ने भने टिप्दै जाने प्रवीणा जस्तो अल्छी गरेर नबस्ने हैन आज प्रवीणा धेरै चिसो भइरहेछ उसलाई कफी खुवाउ लगेर ब्रेकमा एक थर्मसै कफी किनिदेऊ उसलाई सबैले पैसा उठाएर कफी किनिदेऊ जाडो भयो आगो पनि बाल्देऊ उसलाई हिटर पनि व्यवस्था गरिदेऊ पैसा उठाएर हिटर किनिदेऊ हामी पढ्ने बेलामा चाहिँ सिस्टम के थियो भने अहिले छैन है हाम्रो स्कुल लाइफमा चाहिँ वुलको ब्ल्याङ्केट पाउँथ्यो अनि हामी ब्ल्याङ्केट ओढेर कलेज जान्थ्यौँ कि सरहरूले पनि ब्ल्याङ्केट ओढेर आउनुहुन्थ्यो उलेन पातलो ब्ल्याङ्केट हुन्थ्यो हामी ओढेर जान्थ्यौँ सल जस्तो ओके 3.2 राइट डन 3.2 नाउ 3.3 यो 2 थियो हैन अघि 3.2 3.3 नोट डाउन selecting the active or passive voice 3.3 selecting the active or passive voice 3.3 right now 3.3.1 3.3.1 3.3.2 3.3.3 331 332 333 331 332 333 डन त्यो हातमा एउटा ब्याट्री बाँधेर आऊ के त्यो इभी जस्तै फर्र चल्ने कि हातलाई ड्रिल मेसिन जस्तो बनाऊ बटन चाहिँ खर्र काम गर्ने एकदम फास्ट लेख्ने ओ मैले त्यत्रो लेखेर ल्याएँ त ऊ मैले हातले लेखेँ त हुन्थ्यो के लेखेँ त मैले घरमा लेखेर ल्याएको डन डन Okay, now we move to 2. We move to 2. Learning objective 2. Go to 2 number. Okay. Now write 3.1. 3.1. Oh, 2.1, sorry. 2.1. Now 2.1.A 2.1.B 2.1.C 2.1.C Done? Two 1A, 2.1B, 2.1C, and 2.1D. 2.1A, 2.1B, 2.1C, 2.1D. 2.1D, 2.1E, 2.1F, 2.1 G. Two one A, two one B, two one C, two one D, two one E, two one F, two one G. A, B, C, D, E, F. That means there are six points, right? I'll say something very funny, right? Very funny, right? I don't know if I should say. She gave me her clothes. She said, Jesus, I said, look, it's so loose. It's her clothes. How much she cares? Look, how much she cares. How much she cares. She said, Jado, so? My wife.
Who will give? No. So cute.
And now it is coming out, making me laugh. I told her, don't do that. Now she insisted. Okay. Done? Done? Did you note? Okay. This is 2.1, right? Now 2.1. Now 2.2. Oh, don't whistle. We have a whistleblower. You know what does whistleblower mean? Whistleblower is someone who brings out a secret before people know and who publishes. भित्री कुरा बाहिर ल्याएर हल्ला गर्दिने के गोप्य कुराको हल्ला गर्ने मान्छेलाई व्हिसल ब्लोअर भन्छ कि डोन्ट डु द्याट अहिले मैले देखेँ भने यहाँ क्यामेरा अगाडि सिटी बजाउन लगाउँछ है मैले फेरि मैले त्यो कसले बजाएको सिटी भन्ने कुरा देखेँ भने त्यहाँ क्यामेरा फुल फेस आउने गरी बजाउन लगाउँछ है मैले फेरि अनि दुनियाँले देख्छ सिटी बजायो भन्ने नबजाऊ है हल्ला हुन्छ कि डिस्टर्ब हुन्छ नि त त्यो ट्राफिक हो डन 2.1 done? Okay, done. Now we go to 1. We go to 1. Okay, here we are. Now write 1.1. Using the U attitude. 1.1. (1.1) done? 1.1 done? Now 1.2. Now 1.2. 1.2. 1.2. Done? 1.2 done? किन हाई हाई गरिरहेछ गर्छ त्यो एउटा त्यो मिम आउँछ नि फेसबुकमा गर्छ त्यस्तो लाग्यो एउटा आउँछ नि काडो गर्छ नि तिम्रो पनि त्यस्तै भयो के होइन जे पनि गर्छ ओके डन डिड यु नोट हेलो डिड यु नोट ओके 1.2 right now we have 1.3 1.3 1.3 1.3 1.3 note down 1.3 1.3 1.3 1.4 1.4 1.4 1.4 141 141 141 141 141 141 141 142 142 142 1 4 3 1 4 4 1 4 1 1 4 2 1 4 3 1 4 4 1 4 1 1 4 2 1 4 3 1 4 4 Done? Now, मैले त तपाईलाई हेडिङ र सबडिभिजन टिपाएँ, डिटेल त पढाइनँ, पढाएको पनि छैन, भनेको पनि छैन। तपाईँ 1 बाट जानुस् र किताबबाट त्यो प्याराग्राफ पढेर हरेक प्याराग्राफको एक एक पोइन्ट टिप्दै जानुस्। अब आफैले बनाउनुस्। अब कता टिप्ने? अब अर्को नयाँ पाना बनाउँदै जाने। अब छिट्टो 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 काम। अब मेरो काम छैन। अब मसँग 25 मिनट छ, मैले पढाउँदै म घुमिरहन्छु क्लासमा। अब म क्लासमा घुमिरहन्छु। तपाईँ काम के गर्ने? त्यो जुन हेडिङ मुनिको डिटेल छ नि, डिटेल पोइन्टको त्यो ल्याएर लेख्ने। अब प्रवीणा रुनु हुँदैन, प्रवीणा प्रवीणा रुनु हुँदैन, काम गर्नु पर्यो भएर। ओके कमन जाने। कमन कमन क्विकली। For example, let me help you. Let me help you with number 1. Let me help you. Now we have a very difficult job. Look here, very difficult. Look here. 1.1 is using the you attitude, right? Hello? Now look, you noted the subheading, right? And just by noting the subheading, you cannot write the answer in the exam. You can't write. सक्नुहुन्न। उसको नाम स्वस्तिका हो भनेर मात्रै थाहा भएर हुँदैन नि, उसको आनी बानी थाहा हुनु पर्यो नि त उसलाई चिन्नलाई त, हैन? प्रवीणाको अर्थ हुन्छ बुद्धिमान। के थाहा मूर्ख पो छ कि, हैन? नाम मात्रै थाहा पाएर हुँदैन कि। तिम्रो नाम के हो? कृतिका। के अर्थ हुन्छ कृतिका भनेको? कृति भनेको एउटा त किताबहरूलाई भन्छ, लेख्ने चिजलाई। भोलि मलाई मिनिङ भन्ने ल। ओके, now look here. Now you need to note down very important thing which I didn't teach you. Now I'm teaching you. You have this subheading. Now read here. Hello. अब के सार्नु पर्यो? के सिकाइरहेको छु? यसको मुनि यति सार्ने। के सार्ने? यहाँदेखि यति सार्ने। त्यो पनि हैन, यो पनि हैन, पख पख यो हैन। के सार्ने? अब ल यति सार्ने। यति। Then only you can write in the exam. Write down त्यही अहिको ठाउँमा। अहिले जानेर 1.1 छ नि, त्यही लेख त्यो ल। मैले पढेको किताब हेर, मैले हाइलाइट गरिरहेको छु नि घरमा पढ्दाखेरि, यो चिज काम लाग्छ भनेर। मैले पढ्दाखेरि चाहिने कुरा हाइलाइट गर्दै जान्छु आफूले। नोट डाउन। अटेन्डेन्स उसले ल्याएको थियो नि, अघि लिन गएको थियो नि, ल्याएन? भयो, अटेन्डेन्स भयो, ठिक छ। एक्चुअली मैले युट्युबमा हेरेर कुन दिन पढाइ भएको थियो नि टिपेर ल्याउँछु म। यहाँ मिसिङ भएको छ कि आजहरू युट्युबमा त भिडियो सबै छ नि त। तिमीहरूले चाहिँ मेरो च्यानलमा गएर बिजनेस कम्युनिकेसनमा हान्यो भने पोहोरको भिडियो पनि आउँछ। अनि त्यो मलाई हेरिराखेको कुनै कहिले काहीँ बोर लाग्यो भने हेर्दा हुन्छ। झन् मेरो टिचिङ झन् बोरिङ चाहिँ के हेर्ने, होइन? त्यसो कहिले काहीँ काम लाग्छ, नोट बनाउनु काम लाग्छ नि, जाँचको बेला काम लाग्छ। ओके, now note this also. Note this also. के सिकाएँ? प्याराग्राफ पढेर त्यहाँबाट चाहिने कुरा कसरी सार्ने। मलाई चाहिने के हो नचाहिने के हो कसरी थाहा पाउने. इट रिक्वायर्स इन्टेलिजेन्स. अलि दिमाग लगाउनु पर्ने हुन्छ. पढ चाहिँ आलुको बोक्रा त चिन्नु पर्यो नि फाल्नलाई, नभए आलु नै फालिन्छ नि त. बोक्रा के हो? आलु. एक्जाम्पल फनी आयो है. ओके, डन. Did you copy this?
Yes, sir.
Now copy this one. This one. Copy this one. This is you attitude. This is you attitude. An exam आउँछ. धेरै आउँछ यो. 4 mark को. What is you attitude? Explain गरेर आउँछ. Okay, now we are in 4.2, right? Sorry, 1.2. Maintaining standards of etiquette. Now, under 1.2, अब के सार्ने त भन्दाखेरि, copy it. This much. Copy this much. (1.2), right? Now this is 1.2.1. Now this is 1.2.2. Now this is 1.2.3. Look how I make note. Look how I make note. पढेर नोट टिप्न सिक्नु पर्यो के आफैले. आफै जान्नु पर्यो. टिचर बिना नै. सधैँभरि टिचर तिमीसँगै आउँछ लाइफभरि अनि (1.2.4), 1.2.5, 1.2.6. Look, I made 6 sub-points under 1.2. I made 6 ideas under 1.2. Done? Done? आज केही अलिअलि कुरा सिके जस्तो भयो. केही कुरा नयाँ कुरा नोट टिप्न सिक्यो नि कमसेकम. आज हामीले के गरौँ? यत्रो लामो पाठ एउटा क्लास सिद्ध्यायो नि, भ्यायो नि. न भ्याउँदैन थियो नि. यो लेसन यति हो. यो लेसन यति हो. छोटो छैन नि. मैले छिटो गरेर अब छोटो लाग्यो तिमीलाई. कुरा त धेरै छ नि, तर हामीले नोट टिप्दै गयौँ त्यति छोटो लाग्यो कि. ओके, अब चाहिँ 1.3 मा हेर त. यो 1.3 मा अब के टिप्नु पर्यो? जस्तै 1.3 मा कपी गर्नु पर्यो. कपी इट. नोट इट. नोट इट अन्डर 1.3. नोट इट. नोट इट. सिकाइरहेको छु, सुन्दैन. अनि जहाँ चाहे यसपालिको हैजा दिवाकर सरलाई लैजा भन्छ अनि भन्दैन. ओ प्रवीणाले त भन्छु अरे. ल प्रवीणा पापी रहेछ बाबु. उसले के भने त म भन्छु सर अरे. भन्नु हुँदैन त्यस्तो. भन्नु हुन्छ? हुन्छ अरे. ल कहाँ हुन्छ त्यस्तो? त्यस्तो भन्नु हुँदैन. टिचरलाई त्यस्तो भन्नु हुन्छ? हुँदैन. मैले ठट्टा पो गरेको त. तिमीलाई हँसाउनलाई ठट्टा गरेको. कपी इट. And copy this one. And copy this one. Okay. So this is 1.3.1. This is 1.3.2. 131, 132. Now I have 133. This one. 1.3.3. एकछिनमा क्लास सकिन्छ नि वासरुम जानु पर्दैन अब 5 मिनट 10 मिनट त छ नि Now we have 1.4. 1.4 and we have 1.4.1. Now, see here. अब यहाँ के सार्ने यहाँबाट यो सार्ने यति सार्ने ल Then you will understand what is gender bias. Then you will know what is gender bias. अब के सार्ने look here don't say this thing never say man made say artificial don't say mankind say humanity don't say manpower say workers don't say businessman say executive manager business person don't say salesman say sales representative don't say foreman say supervisor Don't say actress, say actor, flight attendant. Don't say woman doctor, say doctor, nurse. Examples of bias-free language. In the same way, okay, don't mention people's ages when you talk. Don't say disabled workers. Say workers with physical disability. Don't mention sickness as epileptic. Right? Okay. Once again, before I close my class, once again, in this class today, we talked about 7 points. Number 1, adapting to your audience, being sensitive to audience need. Number 2, adapting to your audience, building a strong relationship. Number 3, adapting to your audience, controlling your style and tone. 1, 2, 3. Adapting to your audience. 1, 2, 3. Adapting to your audience. Number 4. Composing your message, choosing powerful words. 4. Number 5. Number 5. Composing your message, creating effective sentence. Number 4. Composing message, choosing word. Number 5, composing message, creating effective sentences. Number 6, composing your message, crafting unified coherent paragraph. Number 7, writing messages for mobile devices, particularly using linear organization, prioritizing information, writing shorter and more focused messages, using shorter subject lines and headings, using shorter paragraphs. That's all. What we did, we moved very fast, and what I did, I didn't explain much, but I taught you how to make notes. Hope you will read the lesson on your own and put more information in it. If you can make notes like this for all chapters, you will have good note for the exam. Thank you. Thank you.